Let me tell you a secret on how to keep your favorite running shoes clean. Welcome to Shoe Care Academy. Today we will be going over the top 3 running shoes, most comfortable running shoes at that, of 2025. All right, today I'm gonna show you how to take care of the Vomero Plus, the Adizero, and the Novablast 5 by ASICS. So if you're a runner and you step in mud or your shoes just look like this, for some reason you want to clean them, I'm going to show you the best steps in how to do that. Let's set those over there. First step is going to be dry brushing. You want to get all this mud and dirt off the shoe. That way you don't just sprinkle it around and spread it around inside the material. You don't want to create mud. So I'm going to get as much of this, just loose dirt off these shoes first. So now we're onto the Adizero. Now onto the Novablast 5. All right, so now that we've dry brushed these, we're gonna clean up our station and get to the cleaning. Okay, we're back. We got a cleaning set ready to go. We got our products here, everything we need to clean these shoes. Let's go ahead and unlace these. Actually, gotta put solution in. If you try to clean it with water, it's not gonna do anything. A couple squirts, soft bristle brush, and we're really just gonna gently start cleaning the shoe. As you can see, the dirt is running off it right now. With mesh, you always want to start with the soft bristle brush, at least to start, just to make sure you don't ruin the material, it doesn't snag. If you feel a snag, like you feel it, you know that you need to use a softer bristle brush. And this is one of the reasons we even started and we came out with 3 brushes. We were the first to do 3 brushes because different material requires different brushes for proper cleaning. So now that I've gone over this with the soft bristle brush, there are still, you guys want to come in close on these, there's still some very, very deep staining in here. This is one thing that I want to tell you guys. If you're watching somebody clean shoes and they're cleaning a mesh shoe with deep staining like this and they do not put them in our laundry system, they are tricking you. They are doing a bait and switch and they are tricking you. I'm telling you right now, there's no way to clean these shoes without putting them in a washing machine if you want them to get clean. We were the inventors of the sneaker laundry system, the first ever to do it. So make sure if you have white mesh running shoes or white mesh shoes, you have a laundry system and you're able to put them in the washing machine, or you're not going to be happy with the results, I can guarantee you. Now, I'm going to move on to the medium bristle brush. As you can see, I showed you this a few seconds ago with the soft bristle brush. There was still a pretty heavy stain. So taking this medium bristle brush and going over the same spot, it's causing more friction with these bristles and it's lifting some of that dirt out. So if it doesn't come out with the soft bristle brush, this is why you move on to the medium. Again, let the brush do the work. I'm barely holding on to this brush. You don't need to use a lot of pressure. Just let the brush do the work. Another trick when cleaning mesh shoes and using a medium bristle brush is just go one direction with the brush. You don't need to go back and forth, you just go one direction and then it's more gentle on the material. So I'm gonna keep using this medium bristle brush for a while. I'm gonna go over these shoes in more detail and get them as clean as I can before we put these in the washing machine. The washing machine is really where the magic happens, especially with white mesh because they are so hard to clean. Dirt, grime gets into the material and it's really hard to get out without putting them in the washer. You can do all this at home. We're just in a studio right now. I had been cleaning my shoes for, again, like I said, 20 years, and it was better. My process was better than any other process I had ever tried and used. And I thought to myself, man, if I do this, there have to be other people that would be interested in cleaning their shoes this way. And that is really what sparked the idea for Reshoevn8r and the business. All right, I'm gonna move on to the stiff bristle brush. First, I'm gonna get the bottoms of these soles with the medium. Now I'm going to move on to the stiff bristle brush, dip it in here. So the new ZoomX technology is a core foam for elite level softness and efficiency. Their cushioned 3.0 carrier adds stability to the soft ZoomX, rubber foam outsole for traction and longevity. I mean, these things are comfortable. So now that the shoe has been pre-treated is what we call it, we've gotten the shoe clean to a certain degree. It's only gonna get so clean without using our laundry system. I'm just gonna tell you that. If you expect to use brushes and solution and make this thing look good again, ain't gonna happen. Honestly, this might even take 2 washes in the washing machine to make them look the way that I would need them to look to wear again, but I don't wanna waste and throw away $200. Running shoes are expensive. Some people say you can't wash running shoes in the washing machine. Says who? I say you can. Even if you're done running in them, if you can get them clean and wear them as an everyday wear, why wouldn't you do that? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take shoes that look like this that you probably wouldn't wear again and make them wearable and save you $200. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this shoe aside and we're gonna move on to the next one. Actually, before I do that, let's take our laundry bag. So this laundry bag was designed specifically to clean your shoes. You put it in here, we have a shoe tree in here. It maintains the form of this sneaker the whole time. It's not gonna bend out of shape, right? You put it in here, the whole time it's in the washing machine, this is scrubbing these shoes clean. So keep that in mind. They say you can't wash running shoes in the washing machine, but that is if you just throw them in there, let them get all bent out of shape, scuffed and everything. This is actually supporting the shoe and it's protecting them. We're gonna go like that. This one's ready to go and we're gonna move on to the next shoe. All right, so now we have the Adizero. Before we do that, this water's disgusting. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this out. You wanna start with fresh water if you can. That way, you're not spreading dirty water around the shoe. We want the shoe to get clean, not get more dingy. So now we got some water here. Let's take some new solution here, a couple squirts. I'm gonna take out these laces. Actually, I'm not gonna bore you with that either. All right, good to go. Laces out. So another sneaker cleaning tip is shoe tree. Shoe trees are very important so you can apply pressure to the toe box. You see this? You're not gonna get a good clean that way. So if you take a pair of shoe trees and you insert them like this, now you have form and you can apply pressure, you're gonna get a much better clean. Starting with the soft bristle brush right here, just go over the shoe. These shoes are pretty thrashed. Again, I don't think most of you are gonna have shoes that look this bad, so don't be afraid to wear your shoes, guys. The Adizero line is special because it's designed for speed and performance, combining Light Strike Pro foam for lightweight, responsive cushioning with extremely lightweight and breathable uppers. These shoes are engineered to be fast and versatile, making it great for professional athletes and guys that just want to wear them to the gym. All right, now I'm using the stiff bristle brush. I already cleaned these with the medium bristle brush, but just to show you the stiff bristle brush to really get this sole clean. All right, now that we've pre-treated this Adizero, it looks pretty good overall. There are some deeper stains here and on the back that I definitely want to get out with the washing machine, but we're gonna go ahead and put them in the laundry bag. Again, the key to putting your shoes in the laundry bag is protecting them. That is what this is for, and it scrubs the shoes clean. The whole time it's in the washing machine, this is scrubbing these shoes clean, so it will make these look much, much better. Set these aside. All right, now we're moving on to the final cleaning, the Novablast 5 by ASICS. All right, time to take out these laces. I'm not gonna bore you with that though. All right, let's get into this cleaning. You already know the drill. Let's put the shoe trees in here. Okay. All right, this one should be easy. It's not as dirty. Start with the medium or soft bristle brush. It's interesting, all the materials are slightly different. You can tell by the brush and the feeling of the brush. These seem to be cleaning up pretty good. Now, we're gonna move on to the medium bristle brush. The ASICS Novablast 5 is known for its FF Blast midsole, providing max bounce, soft landings. It's got a high stack height for plush cushioning on long runs. I mean, this thing is super comfortable too, I'm telling you. It's got a beveled heel and a rocker design for smooth transitions as you're running, and it's got a trampoline designed outsole. I'm gonna go ahead and use this medium bristle brush on the undersole. They're not that bad, the way these are designed. It's interesting too to see all 3 undersoles on these different shoes. They have totally different traction. The Adidas Adizero was like really smooth. This one actually has some traction. So this one's not as dirty. No need for the stiff bristle brush. Let's wipe this down. We're gonna put them in the laundry bag and then go ahead and put all these in the washing machine and get these looking nice again. Okay, so we have all these messy shoelaces here that we got to do something with. Before I put these in the washing machine and put all these shoes in the washer, what I'm gonna do is clean these laces. This is the way I've been cleaning laces for years. Some of you might have other techniques. This one seems to work the best for me. When I try to use a brush on them, it typically doesn't do that good of a job. I think using, you know, physical elbow strength and creating friction between your hands seems to work the best for me, but there are some other techniques out there. I'm just doing them all together. Again, rubbing them together. And then what we'll do is we'll just put these in with the shoes in the laundry bag and they'll get washed in the washer too. Okay, that is a pretty good start. I think that these will clean up nice. Let me take this towel, dry off my hands. The other thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these bags that we have a shoe in already, and I'll show you how to place shoes properly in this bag. You wanna take the shoes like this. Face them opposite directions, okay? This makes it a little bit more even when you're putting these in here. Take the shoes into this bag. The bag stretches and remains tight over these shoes. So this is a size 9.5. You can get up to a size 12 probably in here. Anything over a size 12, I suggest just picking up an extra bag and putting one shoe per bag. But that's how that's gonna fit in there. Both shoes ready for the washing machine. Let's go put them in. Ready to get this shoe cleaning completed that I forgot. We need to put these laces in here. I'm just gonna put all three right in this one, just like that. No sense in finding the right laces for the right shoe. They're all going to the same place. And the other thing I'm gonna do, because sometimes this lace lock will untie, I'm just gonna put a little insurance policy right there. That way it doesn't open, they don't fall out. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. Just a little added insurance. There we go. Let's go take these to the washing machine, get these cleaned up. All right, we're here in the laundry room. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of our new laundry sheets. Come in a pack of 16. You simply just tear it in half. We'll use this one. And then we'll put our shoes in the washer, both sets. Normal cycle, do medium, and we'll do cold water. And that's it. We'll be back in 20. All right, we are back. We cleaned these yesterday, went through the washing machine. They all cleaned up really, really good. Very happy with the results. So let us know if we missed any of the most comfortable running shoes of 2025, the most popular, the most comfortable, whatever you want to say. My favorite, I think, might be these. Again, they're not in my size. I'm gonna have to get a pair in my size to try out, but just how light these are. I mean, these things are super light. So I really want to actually check these out and wear them to the gym, see if I like them. I also like these. It's got a big, you know, midsole on it. I'd have to put on just to see. These are probably my least favorite, but I still like these too. I mean, these are probably really, really comfortable. So I wish these were all in a size 11. I would put them on myself. What I used to clean all these was our signature bundle that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. Comes with our Reshoevn8r kit, our cleaning mat, our bowl, and brush combo, all of those things so you can keep your cleaning station super clean. And that's really gonna conclude this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you have any shoes that you want us to clean, let us know. We will do our best to clean those. And if you haven't subscribed or liked this, please do that now. It really helps us. Obviously, the more likes and comments and subscribes we get, the better off our channel will do. So really want to thank you for tuning in. See you next time. Peace.
Body, body, body.